the snap change.
Video is the snap change. According to Wikipedia, it was invented by a guy named Ed Marlo, born Edward Mikowski, in Chicago. This guy has over 60 books, and he's contributed over 2,000 tricks to the field of magic. His most famous title is The Cardigan. He coined the phrase, and revolutionary card technique. He's also wrote several private manuscripts, like the riffle shuffle systems and patented false shuffles. They're extremely rare, and everybody's after them, I guess. Edward Marlo was a beast. I don't feel like I've done justice to his trick today in this video, to be totally honest with you. It's the snap change. I went through a quick tutorial just to show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get right to it.
This is what the snap change looks like. Just like that. You're actually holding the bottom corner with your middle finger, and this one's kind of waiting. And what you're doing is that snap motion. Now to practice it, you want to go the snap change. You take your middle finger, place it here at the bottom corner of the two cards. Once you're here, this finger's waiting to grab this second card on the back here. You're making the snapping motion, dragging the ace off, grabbing the one behind it in this position. It's very angle sensitive. You can't really move your hand. People will see the cards and to cover up that sound or help cover up that sound while you're doing the trick. This is what the snap change looks like. And then you have one card left. Just like that. Now how is that done? And you're here. This is a snap change in its completed position, and you've got the ace of spades back behind your hand here. I like to have this assortment of messy cards so that I can drop that ace of spades off as the cleanup, and it probably won't be noticed. And that's the snap change. If you liked the video, please go down there, subscribe, drop a like, share the video.